Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Art Testing Master. In this video we shall talk about Election Commissioner Officer paper part 2 which was held on 7/3/2021. व्यूअर्स चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। आज का हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है सेकंड पार्ट का। कमीशन में एक्सरसाइज कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट पावर्स इन अकॉर्डेंस विद कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट ऑर्डर 2003। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है हमारा, द कमीशन शैल आल्सो फ्रेम अ कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट फॉर मीडिया सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, रिटर्न ऑफ द इलेक्शन एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ द रिटर्न कैंडिडेट कैन बी सबमिटेड टू द रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर ऑन फॉर्म C. Every member of assembly shall submit to the on or before each year a copy of his statement of assist and liabilities. The answer is का none of these commission 31st December. The constituency for all seats reserved for non-Muslims in the National Assembly shall be the dash none of these whole country. An appellate tribunal shall dash decide an appeal filed under subsection 1 within such time as may be notified by the commission and may passed on the appeal shall be similarly final. Question number 7 है, parliamentary committee shall be 12 member out of which they shall be from the Senate 1/3. The term to hold office of Chief Election Commissioner is dash years respectively 5 to 6 years. Article 10A, right to fair trial, was inserted through dash amendment none of these 18. An election official on duty in connection with the election who is guilty of the offence under subsection 1 shall be punishable with, तो जिसका आंसर है none of these. The election of the chief minister shall be held by open ballot. Question number 12 है, delimitation of local government constituencies by election commission in election act 2017 section 222 was inserted through amendment 22nd. When was the constitution of 1973 approved? On 12th April 1973. The procedure for voting in the Senate is described in which section? In the section of 122, 122. Question number 15 है, they shall appoint election tribunals members election commissioner. The election expenses of a connecting candidate shall not exceed dash for Senate 1,500,000. For the trial of election petition, which of the following procedure laws shall be followed? Civil Procedure Code 1908 and Qanun Shahadat Order 1984. Any person aggrieved by the final decision of the election tribunal in respect of an election petition challenging to an assembly or senate may within 30 days of the date of the decision appeal to the dash apex court. Article of the Constitution of Pakistan deals with the rule of law. 4 and 25. Fundamental rights have less value than principles of policy. Preponderant. Any aggrieved person may within 30 days of the passing of the final order file an appeal against the order in the Desh High Court. Question number 22. Article 63(2) of the Constitution of Pakistan deals with the Desh disqualification. Post-election. An election petition shall be presented to the election tribunal within days of the publication in the official gazette of the name of the returned candidate. 45 days. Within 45 days. If the contribution or corrupt or illegal practice is approved if a polling station election tribunal may while declaring election of the returned candidate void direct re-election. Void. Question 25. Returning officer shall not accept a nomination paper unless a sum of rupees for election to a seat in the National Assembly deposited by the candidate. 30,000 rupees. The Commission may, for a reason which it considered sufficient, extend the time for completion of an election to the Senate by making necessary amendments in the notification issued under Section 107. Under Section 107. The constituencies for the seats reserved for women and non-Muslims in the provincial assemblies shall be such that each province forms one constituency with as many such seats as are allotted to the province in Article 106. Section of Election Act 2017 deals with the monitoring of election campaign. 234. When Amjad Desh the car, he took it out for a drive. Had repaired. Question number 30. Namaz Janaza is Farz Kafaya. Thanks for watching. Click on subscribe to get all related reports. Shukriya.